Cool. Oh, this is not a movie. What the? No?
Oh, come on, you stupid Angry Birds. Hit the freaking tower. Oh my god, Redbird, you suck. What's your special power? Sucking? Oh, don't this stupid game.
What are you talking about? Is he talking to me? He's saying I'm dumb. You little dumb. We're going so down.
Oh, hey, Redbird.
Yes.
Surprise, I didn't expect to see you here. What are you doing?